What's up guys, Manic Assassin coming at you with more Assassin's Creed videos today in preparation for the release of my Hidden Blade tutorial. That we would go over a list of different blade makers that I've found through the years that are rather impressive. First up, Jinan. Now this is a very little known channel. I think he only has like 20 subscribers or so, but he's got some awesome blades. I'll leave the link in the description below. MbInventorb. I know, big long name for such an awesome channel. He makes a version of the hook blade with some drawer slide units that's actually rather impressive. It can interlock in different levels so that you can make the hook blade longer if you want to, or it can retract and only be retracted halfway. Garage Junkie. I'm just gonna go ahead and make noise so there's no dead air while you can watch this for a few seconds. CJK. Now he makes an awesome version of the OTF design, and he uses drawer slide units as well as just random steel components. Now this next one is one of my personal favorites. He's Russian. Now the entire channel is entirely in Russian, so you're not going to be able to understand any of it, but he has a different design for pretty much anything that you can find. Hidden Blade Heks. Full in-depth tutorials. Some of his videos are even up to 7 hours long. He makes amazing copies of Origins blade. He made the blade from Assassin's Creed 2, the blade from Assassin's Creed 1. He pretty much makes any of them. Elchechin 02. He makes a version of the Phantom blade that actually has a locking mechanism in the front so that you can't ignite the blade while you're throwing a punch in between. It's actually really interesting. I really want to see the inside guts of it. Now his channel's entirely in Spanish, so if you speak Spanish, go ahead and hop on over there. If you're bilingual, check his page out. In fact, if any of my fans actually speak Russian or Spanish, please put subtitles on their video for them and send them to me. RawIce 511. He makes a really awesome version of the AC3 swivel blade. And as you can see up here, it actually detaches from the hilt itself as well. Now, RawIce has been doing this for quite a long time. I remember he started making blades around the time that I had. And I've been doing this for over 13 years now. Now, this next one, I guarantee you've probably seen it. Seen the videos that they publicize for AC4 or the ones for AC Unity. I bet that you've seen these videos. Now, the channel name is On Me. I actually subscribe to his son's page with a lot of the makers that do the blades from that channel. And they're not very widely known. I think they only have 200 subscribers. I'll leave their link in the bottom as well. They made an awesome Valhalla axe that most people don't even know exists. And last up is Imdeepainreborn. Now, this guy's been at it for a long time as well. He runs his own business with a CNC machine and mills blades out of aluminum. A lot of the ones that you find on eBay are going to be made by him. If it has the protruding lock system, it's his. He actually just recently came out with one for Valhalla though, where it has computing parts in it, and I've been trying to figure out how to do this myself, so hats off to you, good sir. You deserve a round of applause. It is a retraction system that is automated through a push of a button. Want more up-to-date builds? Make sure to hit that notification in the square down below. I'm going to be working non-stop this next week. Probably not bringing you as much material because I'm working on a tutorial for this guy for my Valhalla build. If you guys want to check that out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, make sure to hit that notification bell. Only 3% of my viewers come from sites like YouTube or Facebook. So if you can share this, that would be awesome. Very much appreciated. And until next time, guys, this has been your Manic Assassin. Have a great day.